Hello again. We are back with another episode of Park Hyatt at Home, aka Super Chef Zoe. And today, our episode is all about tomatoes. It's the best time of the year. We're getting... Okay, today's opposite day.
Today is opposite day.
And you're just gonna keep saying what I say.
And you're gonna keep saying what I say.
So that means that you don't say what I say.
That means what you don't say what I say.
I'm confused now. I want to do two quick recipes. One is a really simple gazpacho.
Okay.
And we're gonna do a charred tomato Bloody Mary. Okay, so here, look at the people. Look at the people. Duck down and look at the people. Where are you? Are you looking? You don't have to stick your tongue out. That's definitely not sanitary. That's not sanitary. Here. No, come on. Yep, she left. So gazpacho really only consists of a couple really simple ingredients. Tomatoes, bell pepper, cucumber, basil, a little bit of rosemary, just a tiny bit of rosemary. And then I was hoping that I would have someone. I have the perfect job for an assistant. I have the perfect job for an assistant chef that just loves to mush things up and make a mess. Where could she be? Okay, you're only gonna mush with one hand, but you're back. That's the most important thing. Which hand? Which is your mushing hand? That's your mushing hand?
10 hot.
You mean 10-4.
No, 10 hot.
I think you mean 10-4.
No,
Here's another glove. We dropped that one on the floor.
10 hot.
10 hut is like what a football player says.
No, 10 hot.
You sure you don't mean 10-4?
No, 10 hot.
Okay, you got your glove on? Show everybody your glove. Right? Safety first. No glove?
No love.
Yeah! Alright, mush it up. This is proper mushing technique. Get in there. Think it's like Play-Doh. What?
Feel good.
What do you mean it doesn't feel good? Feels like a tomato. You have a glove on. It's not even touching you. Get in there. Mush. And go. That's the gentlest mushing I've ever seen. All right, well, maybe Daddy will do the mushing. Really important step in making great gazpacho. We want to mush up our veggies with the olive oil and the vinegar. Start breaking down the tomatoes, really get in there. It's very therapeutic, actually. All right, our tomato mixture has marinated for a couple hours. And this is where having a really fancy high-speed blender comes in handy. I can't hear what you're saying. Could you talk louder? Once it's pureed, you gotta taste and adjust the seasoning with more salt, olive oil, and a little vinegar if necessary. Think of it as a salad, right? It's a pureed salad. So you want to dress your salad with oil and vinegar, and you need that balance. Look at that, silky smooth. What we did with the ricotta cheese, we buzzed it with a stick blender with just a drop more milk and some olive oil and a little bit of minced rosemary. Super creamy. We made these nice little croutons. And there you go. I have another great recipe for us to use these beautiful tomatoes, and that's something I used to do back at the Andaz Wall Street Hotel, and this is a charred tomato Bloody Mary. For beefsteak or vine-ripened tomatoes, remove the stem and cut them in half. Place them cut side down under the broiler or on the grill if you happen to have your grill fired up, and cook until they're charred, have taken on a nice dark color. Flip them over after a couple of minutes. What you don't want is for the tomatoes to be fully cooked. You want them just to pick up the smoky flavor. I like a spicy Bloody Mary, so here we're using 3 different things to make our Bloody Mary spicy. Horseradish, then we're also using some sambal and Dijon mustard. Whiz it all up, let it cool in the fridge overnight, and you're ready to go. You can have some bread. So you're not gonna have any gazpacho? Oh look, you have some gazpacho right there.
No.
You have classic Heinz gazpacho.
No.
Our gazpacho here, and then our Bloody Mary mix. Here's the bread. Our Bloody Mary mix actually makes a great cocktail sauce, and chilled seafood goes great with gazpacho. So hey, look, it all came together in the end. All right. How's my hair? How's my hair, Zoe? Little cheese.
What's this?
Croutons.
They're just like toasted butter.
This is so refreshing. You gotta try this recipe. It's so easy. Maybe you'll have more luck with getting the kids to eat it. All right, well, I hope you all enjoyed our little tomato feast that we had here. Like I said, one of my favorite times of year, right? Delicious tomatoes in the market. You don't have to do very much. We barely cooked them, right? I know, crazy, crazy. All right, until next week,
Mommy.
happy cooking.
Mommy.
Stay safe and stay sane. And until the next time, what do you say?
Butter eat butter.
Cheers.